You can use the Haitian Creole verb say as the verb to be in the form of am, is, are in the present tense. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say she is an early student in Haitian Creole. Well, that would be li se yon élève bonnet. And let's say, for example, you wanted to say he is a man who has courage. Well, that would be li se yon garçon qui gen courage. So another way you can use the Haitian Creole verb say is to say it's at the beginning of a sentence. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say it's a dog. In Haitian Creole, that would be c'est un chien. And let's say, for example, you wanted to say it's a good day. In Haitian Creole, that would be c'est un bonjour. Okay, so now here are 4 ways not to use say in Haitian Creole. Number 1, don't use say when you are only connecting the subject, which is what you're talking about, to an adjective. So something important you have to remember is that you can mainly use say to identify a noun. Okay, let's break this down. Let's say, for example, you wanted to say she is early in Haitian Creole. Well, instead of saying li se bonnet, it's better to say li bonnet. Why? Because in that example, she is early or li bonnet, there is no noun for the verb say to identify. Whereas if we go back to our very first example of she is an early student, in Haitian Creole that would be li se yon élève bonnet. Why? Because se is identifying the noun, élève or student. Number 2, don't use say for prepositional phrases. Let's say, for example, you want to say he is at home. In Haitian Creole, instead of saying li se lakay, it's better to say li lakay. 3, don't use say for ongoing actions. Let's say, for example, you want to say Junior is playing. In Haitian Creole, instead of saying Junior se ap joué, it's better to say Junior ap joué. Number 4, don't use say along with a negative pas, which can mean don't or not. Let's say, for example, you want to say Nelson is not innocent. In Haitian Creole, instead of saying Nelson c'est pas innocent, it's better to say Nelson pas innocent. Alright, so now you just learned 4 ways of how not to use say. But there's an important exception. It's when you use say at the beginning to add emphasis as a clef sentence. Okay, let's break this down. Number 1, she is early. So the cleft version of that to add emphasis would be, it is her who is early. In Haitian Creole, that would be c'est li ki bonnet. Number 2, he is at home. The cleft version of that would be, it is him who is at home. In Haitian Creole, that would be c'est li ki lakay. Number 3, Junior is playing. The cleft version of that would be, it is Junior who is playing. In Haitian Creole, that would be c'est Junior k'ap joué. Number 4, Nelson is not innocent. The cleft version of that would be, it is Nelson who is not innocent. In Haitian Creole, that would be, c'est Nelson qui pas innocent. And so that's all there is to it. So as you could see, the verb say is quite dynamic and quite interesting. So to continue to support us, please feel free to do so via Patreon to help us to continue to make videos like this. Subscribe, visit howtocreate.com. Thanks for watching.